I'm waiting.
I didn't start yet. Cheers!7583
7583。
是的。Good morning guys, I just realized I never started the vlog, so happy Wednesday. I just got some coffees. I'm on my way. Hair in the mouth. Okay, let's try that again. I'm on my way to my friend's right now. I just got my hair done, although it's looking a bit windblown right now. He did such a good job, I think. I'm gonna get used to people staring, just not yet. But it's really difficult to find people that can do curly blonde hair in China, and he did spectacular. So going to my friend, she's moving to Shanghai, so I'm gonna go help her pack. Brought her some coffee to cheer her along, and later on I think we're going to go have lunch with another friend. So yeah, it's just a chill friends vibe today.
I'm waiting.
I didn't start yet. Danelle's here. And last time I'll see her because she's abandoning me for Shanghai. What is on my hand? But yeah, we're going to Solana for the
Not abandoning.
She's abandoning me. Whatever shall I do now? Oh well, we're walking and sweating our way to Solana for some yummy Korean barbecue. See you there. Had to stop for tea because we were melting. That's good.
That's really good.
That's really good.
I want to eat that.
The lychee? Yeah, you should. There's lychee in there. There, you can see it. Lychee oolong shaken tea. Good. And cold. One of our favorite things to do in Beijing, Korean barbecue. So good. Cheers! Good morning guys. So actually it's been several hours since the last clip. I had to go do some personal stuff and it was such a beautiful day, so I just decided to bike. I hope I could get some few good shots in, but to be honest, I was kind of lost, so I was focusing on where to go, didn't really think of filming. But now I'm about to go into a deep editing hole because I am so behind. But you know what? We're just gonna take it as it comes. And I'll see you in a couple of hours. It has been several hours later actually. It was a good editing haul. I needed that. Very productive. Didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I am too hungry to focus, so I am about to head out and go grab some of, I almost said lunch. It's dinner. Who am I kidding? It's dinner time. Good morning, guys. Just got out of the shower. We are ignoring this situation. I have about 2 hours before I have to go to a wedding and I need to get ready. 2 hours sounds like a lot, but I'm not very good with makeup and I'm even worse with hair, and I have to do both of that. And I have no idea how to do the hairstyle I'm wanting to do because this wedding we are required to wear hats, so I'm kind of thinking of like a low bun situation. Whether it's gonna happen or not, we shall see. So I'm probably gonna be looking at some YouTube tutorials, follow along, listen to some HSK videos because I'm practicing for HSK 4, which is a nightmare of its own. So yes, let's see if we can fix this situation. So before, stay tuned for the after. Okay, hair is done, makeup is done. I need to figure out how to put this on my head without ruining everything I did, but what do we think? I feel so girly. I love it. I am running late, so I have to go. Everyone, and happy Sunday. Sorry if it's loud. I am doing washing. I just finished my 5K run. I'm not gonna lie, this Beijing weather is killing me. It's so hot, but I'm about to enjoy my yummy breakfast. It looks good, even if I say so myself, and I can't cook. So yesterday we had the wedding. I didn't film too much because I didn't feel like it was my place to film their special day, but it was so beautiful. It was in Chongping and it was like, it felt like I was somewhere in France at a chateau. It was gorgeous. She was so pretty. Her dress literally looked like she just stepped out of a Disney character. Well, I can't speak. How do I say this? She looked like a Disney princess. It looked like she stepped out of a fairy tale. There we go. But I'm about to enjoy my breakfast, do some HSK 4 learning while I'm eating, and then we'll see where the rest of the day takes us. It's a bit of a weird day today. It's currently sunny, but it was raining 10 minutes ago, and it looks like it's gonna rain again. So I decided, you know what? No exploring for us today. We are going to have a little paint day. So I have this huge canvas that I've been dying to paint, and I decided since I can't go outside, today's the perfect day. Obviously I will not be able to finish this today. I'm thinking it's gonna take me at least, I think, 4 days to paint this. I'm going to paint this picture I'm obsessed with that I took in Suzhou, and I'm gonna try a new style. Not sure how this is gonna work, but we're gonna start today and it might continue on to next week's vlog. But you know what? I feel like this is the perfect way to end this week's vlog. It's just having some painting creative fun. So let's get to it. Okay, so I finished painting the sky. I'm not sure if I'm happy with it. I think it needs to go a little bit lighter, but that's the thing with acrylics, you can always paint over it. So I'm going to probably sit and stare at this for a couple of hours, and then I need to edit this video. And then also tomorrow is my friend's birthday, so we're gonna have like a little brunch. So that will all be in the next video. So I will continue painting this, hopefully finish this in the next video. But I think that is it for this week's vlog, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!